over here you can see that I have two photos right here. So in one of the photo you can see that the person is showing teeth right here, and other one is closing eye, the baby is looking somewhere else. And here you can see that I got another picture where the teeth is not being sewed up and the person is looking right at the camera right here. But let's say I want the baby's face to look somewhere else while the adults look at the camera. So if you want to do that, then you can use something called the Guided Photomerge Group Shot option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the Guided tab right here, and once I go around over here, under the Photomerge tab, you can see that there's Photomerge Group Shot as an option. So if I were to go around and then click right here, then what happens is that I get the first picture right here, so I can go around and then bring in the second picture over here just like this as well. So this is what you have. So you can use the pencil and the eraser tool, or in advance you can align the photos first over here as well. So if you were to go around into align tool right here, you can do the pixel blending over here just like this again as well. And then you can see that this is what you have. But let me just go around, turn off the pixel blending. So now I'm just going to take a reference. So I'm just going to go around and take the person's eyes right here just like this as a reference right here just like this. Let me grab around the nose point, and same goes for around over here as well. Let me just go around onto the eyes right here. You can just go around and take in a reference point and align them out together right here. So you can just go around and align out the photos right here just like this. So you gotta try out. So let me just press Ctrl Z because that didn't align out right. So I'm just going to go around, drag this down right here, align out the photos right here just like this. Let me just go around and see how I have done that there. Let me just go around, align out the eyes right here, align out the photos, and then you can see that that is what you have. So you got to be really perfect, otherwise then the alignment will be way off right here just by a little move, as you can see right here. So the face is right around over here, the eyes are right around over here, and then right around over here. So let's just go around and align out the photos, and you can see that it's a bit lined out right there. So usually when the photo is at the same area, this is not of an issue. Now let's go around with the editing, and let's go around with the pencil tool. So all you need to do is select out the portion that you want to keep. So here I don't want the baby to look at the camera itself, so I'm just going to go around, draw around in the face right here, and that will be replaced out right here, as you can see just like this. Let me just go around and draw around over here so that everything else gets arranged over here as well. And you can see that there's the photomerge taking effect. So I don't want this photo right here, so let me just go around, draw around the person's face right here just like this, and that will be replaced out over here, right over here as well. So on the neck, it is not showing up properly, so let me just go around, draw around the neck over here as well, and you can see that this is how the photomerge actually takes effect. So the baby, the baby's face right here is looking somewhere else right here just like this, whereas the adults are now looking at the camera, and this is the result that I want. You can show the reasons over here as well, and show out the strokes over here just like this as well. And once you're happy, you can go around and click on next right here, and then you can continue editing in quick or expert mode. So let me just go around and click on quick mode right here, and I'm just going to go around and crop off the area that I want right here. So let me just go around and drag it out right here just like this, drag it out over here on the top, press the check mark right here. Let me just go around over here and drag out this area because I don't want the white area, and this is what you have, as you can see, as a final result. And that is how you can use the Guided Photomerge Group Shot effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.